In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TradingView background in mobile. Now, the easiest way to do this is to first access your chart settings. So you want to go to the bottom right of your chart where you can see a small settings cogwheel. So it's this one over here, and you simply want to tap on it. Now you want to go to the bottom, scroll down, and tap on more settings at the very bottom. Here, you want to go to the top left and tap on the arrow back, and it's going to take you into your chart settings. Now, from here, to change the background of your chart, you want to go to canvas, which is the fourth option in the middle, and then from here, as you can see at the top, it says background under chart basic styles. So you can either have a solid background like this or a gradient. So if I go to solid, for example, I can tap on this color below and I can go and change it to whatever. So if I want to do like light blue over here, I can do that, press OK, and there we go, my chart color has been changed and the background is now different. Okay, of course I can go ahead and do that again, tap on that, go to more settings, and then here inside canvas, and I can also use a gradient where you can basically pick the first color and then the second one over here, and that's also going to add a gradient to your background. Now if you want to change the overall background of your app, you want to go to the bottom right, which is the menu button, and then from here you can see there's going to be like a theme button up top just below settings. You can tap on that and then you can change it between light and dark, and that's going to change the overall theme of your app. But to change the background, that's essentially what you have to do, what I just showed you. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.